Okay, it's today we are going to learn divisibility rules. So divide by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the easiest one 10. Okay, we will go one by one. We will start with 2. Okay, so divisibility rule by 2. Any number which is, so number are two types. Suppose I am putting some random numbers 3, 5, 6, 32, 51, 72. So this is a odd number. Let me put a red for odd. This is also odd number. This is also odd number. Then we have even numbers. 6 is an even number, 32 is an even number, 72 is an even number. So any number where unit place, this is the unit place. So any number which has unit place, number as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These all are even numbers. Okay. So this will be not the answer. Any number which is even is divisible by 2. So let's take example 4, 8, 10. Let's take bigger number. These are divisible by 2. And if we take any odd numbers like 1, 3, 13, 25, 101, 107, 1006, 7, 13. These all are odd numbers. So they are not divisible by 2. Okay, let's move to divide by 3. So divide by 3 is even easier. and it will also test your summing space skills. Summing space means how you are making sum. Divided by. So let's take any number, random number as example. 2 to 3 digits number I am going to take. So suppose 27. We have 2 plus 7. 2 and 7. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. And this 9 is coming in table of 3. Let's put table of 3 here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. So this 27 is divided by 3. Let's put another number. Suppose 14. So 14 has 1 and 4. That is equal to 5. And 5 is not in any of these numbers that we have written above. So 5 would not be divided by 3. Let's take another number. Say 25. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Again, this is also not going to be divided by 3. Let's take another number example. Suppose I am taking 57. 5 plus 7 equals to 12. Even for simplicity, you can break it down as 1 plus 2. That is equal to 3. So 3 is in the table of 3 itself. Pretty easy. So 3 is divisible by 3. So let's put a green circle on those numbers which are divisible by 3. If you are getting any difficulty, you can put in comments. I can further elaborate in my next video. Okay. Let's clean the board. So now we are moving to divide by 4. Divide by 4. The rule is simple. See, what is the format of the number? Format of number is you put ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000. I'm not going to larger numbers now. So suppose I am putting 304. You would put like this 304. If I am putting 43, you will be putting like 4 and 3. If I say 120, 104, let's say, then you will be putting as 1, 0 and 4. So look for units place and tens place, these two numbers. If these two numbers appear in the table of 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. Else, it won't be divisible by 4. So this should be divisible by 4. 43 is not coming in the table of 4. So it won't be divisible by 4. 4 is itself 4. So it would be divisible by 4. Let's enlarge the table and take more numbers. For example, 125, 1, 2, 5. not in table of 4, so would not be divided by 4. And then 52, it is divisible by 4 because 52 is coming in table of 4. Let's take a larger number, 1040. 10, sorry. Is 40 itself in table of 4, so it would be divided by 4. So last two digits of the number should be divisible by 4. So that's a simple formula of 4, divide by 4. Now let's come to divide by 5. It's pretty much easier than the 3 and 4. So any number which has either 5 or 0 at units place would be divided by 5. Let's see how. Let's put table of 5 over here. It is 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 50, 55, and 50. Any random number, 105. This number is 5, so it would be divided by 5. 172. Look for the first digit. It is not 5, neither it's 5, neither it's 0, so it won't be divisible by 5. 1075. This would be because 5 is there. So look for 5 or 0 at units place. That's all. We will cover this in next session.